The anticipation surrounding the DJI Air 3S has reached a fever pitch as leaks and rumors paint an exciting picture of what could be the next big leap in drone technology. For drone enthusiasts and professional photographers alike, the DJI Air 3S promises to bring a host of new features that could redefine aerial imaging. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore everything from its rumored specifications to its expected release date, shedding light on why this drone could be a game changer. The DJI Air 3S is expected to feature a refined design that not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also improves functionality. Leaks suggest a more aerodynamic frame, possibly incorporating lighter yet more durable materials to withstand the rigors of outdoor photography. The compact size, a hallmark of the Air series, might see further reductions, making it even more portable without compromising on performance. One of the most eagerly awaited upgrades in the DJI Air 3S is its camera system. Rumors hint at a significant sensor upgrade, possibly even a jump to a 1-inch sensor, which could dramatically improve image quality, especially in low-light conditions. Enhanced HDR capabilities, better color accuracy, and 4K video recording at higher frame rates could position the Air 3S as a top choice for content creators looking to capture breathtaking aerial footage. The big question on everyone's mind is, of course, the release date. While DJI has remained tight-lipped, the leaks suggest a possible launch in the final quarter of the year. As for pricing, the DJI Air 3S is expected to be positioned slightly above the current Air 2S, reflecting its enhanced capabilities. This could make it a premium option within the consumer drone market, appealing to those who want the best in aerial technology without venturing into the higher-end Mavic series. With the DJI Air 3S on the horizon, it's only natural to compare it with another highly anticipated release, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. While the Mini series is known for its ultra portability, the Air 3S might outshine it in terms of performance and features. This section could delve into the strengths and weaknesses of each model, helping potential buyers decide which drone best suits their needs. As we inch closer to the official unveiling of the DJI Air 3S, the excitement continues to build. With its potential to set new standards in drone technology, the Air 3S could be a must-have for anyone serious about aerial photography and videography. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an enthusiastic hobbyist, the DJI Air 3S promises to be a powerful tool that could elevate your creative projects to new heights.